None. From the sprawling savannas of the Masai Mara to the pristine beaches of Diani, Kenya is a traveler's paradise. Picture yourself on a safari, witnessing the Great Migration, where millions of wildebeest and zebras traverse the plains. Or immerse yourself in the rich culture of the Maasai people, whose traditions are as vibrant as their attire. Head over to the ethereal pink waters of Lake Nakuru, home to thousands of flamingos. And don't miss the lush greenery of Mount Kenya, Africa's second highest peak, offering hiking trails for every adventure level. Feeling the call of the ocean? Diani Beach awaits with its white sands and blue waters, perfect for a relaxing escape or thrilling water sports. Kenya's diverse beauty is unparalleled, promising memories that last a lifetime. So why wait? Start planning your dream trip today at countrydiscover.com. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, drop a comment, and let us know which Kenyan spot you can't wait to visit. Until next time, happy travels!